So today I'm talking about the monitoring section for all things API. So we have different kind of sections. So under API testing lab we have one section called monitoring. How monitor the API collections. So I need to go to API lab here. So I just click it, and after that there are a lot of collections that I have previously created somehow. So um, I already create one sample collection that will help me for creating monitors and how that will perform. So I have five requests here. So different requests like delete, patch, get, post, and I also have a SOAP API as well. So let me just go through at least 2-3 requests so that you can understand. So I have a very general request here. So few of script included here. So if I go to post response, I can see there are uh, different sort of scripts, post scripts are available here. So I can test different kind of things. So which will help me testing the monitoring section. So as you can see the left side I have monitoring dashboard, monitoring and monitoring reports. So if I go to test result, as you can see those all are successed. So yeah, so I have same way I have patch API and delete API as well. So for better simplicity I just change the variable. I just change the variable so that it can working fine like this way. Yeah, so I also put a number here, um, just for 3. So I'm saving that request. So I have one collection ready for testing the monitoring things. So if I go to the monitoring, so for creating a monitoring I need to go to the monitoring. So yeah, so here I have different sort of monitors that already created in my account. So I have add new button. So when I click that add new button, so I can see, um, yeah, it takes some loading based on one or two API call. So yeah, so I have a long form, so I need to fill up those first. Well, so first I need to put a monitor name. So let me do a valid monitor name like monitor um, API list, right? So I can only select the type, which is API error testing, and automation testing also will include in future, which is there are a lot of collections automation under automation testing as well. So they will add here in later, but right now there are only one selection are available, which is error testing, the error testing one. So I can select the collection. So I need to search my collection. Like if I search like monitoring, so I can see monitoring samples. Other developer maybe create some copies. So I just select the monitoring samples here, and I can select the environment. So quickly I just fill up all the data, like I mean execution frequency. So when I want to execute, I want to execute after 19 minutes like this. So I can put my email here. So here, so let me put my name email here. Well, so after putting my name email, I need to hit the enter. There are multiple email can add it here. Yeah, so start notification after. So maybe after 23 minutes I will start the notification. Well, so after maybe 100 minutes that will end, but those are not the mandatory fields. So delivery frequency, so I want to, after 1 hour I want to that deliver things. So I can add email here, the report delivery things. So here also I need to add my email. Right, so after hit the enter, email included here. So here I need to add one parameter as well, like retry logic. So if it is fail, then retry again after 10 hours. Yeah, so there are two options, like I can save as a draft, which is not running that monitor, but I have one more option, like I can save and also run as well. So yeah, so for simplicity I just click on the save as draft. So it will save a monitor here. Right, it's added a monitor here, the first one, so which is currently the draft mode. So if I go to edit, so I can run that monitor as well. So for example, like I can active it. Whenever I active, then it will start running. I mean, it will start this scheduling. Also send email based on this schedule. There are one more option called run now. I can delete report, those kind of things are available as well. So I can click run now. So when I click the run now button, so it will it will show you the success message, like monitor run successfully, and under this collection and this environment, it will execute that monitoring report. So if I just go to the report, I mean whenever we click on the report, so I can come back to here to see the report. I can see like 80% execution are successful, and 20% execution are failed, which is like out of 5, 4 monitors are successful and 1 monitors are failed. And total execution time, the sum of the execution of these things. So if I go to the view, so I can see like the view of this monitoring section. So I can see like from which source it is coming, and the environment and all that. So it is showing the overall summary here. So I can see one by one monitoring. The first one is the SOAP API. So it is showing the response here, whatever coming, and I can see the um, request header and response headers as well. So those are also available in that section, so developer can see like the response and request things. So this is the overall request here, and good things is uh, I can see the status, I can see the test results here. So there's the test result things. So in that way I can see different APIs. So I can see one of the API like post monitor, that API failed for 500 error. So it shows like this way. So as it is failed, so it is not showing any kind of response body. But yeah, it has two test cases. One of them are failed and one of them are passed. So I can see the first one is failed because this is not any 201 success message. This is 500 error. And yeah, so this way we can see the all the reports here. So we have one more options called dashboard. So in dashboard, we can see um, yeah, I mean in dashboard we can see the overall progress, status and everything. So for that, I just run 2 or 3 times, maybe twice the run now. To show the overall status, to show the overall graph. So that's why I just run that monitor twice, previously once or thrice I run that monitor. And after that, if I go here monitor, so if I click my that monitor, I can see the overall things. I mean 3 times I click that um, monitor, and I can see that like total execution is 27, and execution passed, failed, and the response time like this way. So if I click on one of them like this, so I can see the all test cases here. Yeah, I can see the overall test cases here. So how many are success, fails, or everything. So I can see some of them are success, some of them are failed like this way. Right, so I can see, how many um, how many are success are passed like this, I mean past status, and how many are failed, those are failed, something like that. Yeah, so this way we are showing the monitoring things. So that's the overall thing for monitoring. So I have one more data, like fill up lots of data here. So if user fill up lots of data, he can see this kind of overall graph here. So he can also see different sort of um, different sort of monitoring um, graph like this way. Yeah, that's the overall things. You can explore that things, and you can also get the better experience